In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a badge holder, a fashionable badge holder, and this one will hold up to 1 to 5 different cards. It's technically a minimalist wallet, and I think it's from the company Ordinary, maybe how you would say that. And just looking over, it came in this little box right here. Let's open it up and let me show you. I did open it up and kind of look over it. Comes in this little package here. Number one, it looks like it's a leather type material. Filling of it, it's a leather type material, and it's got a really strong clip on it. The clip on it looks really good there. It's got a place right here for a lanyard, and the reason you would do that is because it would be like a badge holder too. So if I wanted to put it around the neck, it would be like a badge holder. But what I'm going to do, I've got several cards here, and I'm just going to stick these down. Let's just say that would be like driver's license, credit cards or something like that. I can see how it goes down. Oh, and then look, it's got a little thing right here. But then back here, it's got a spot for 10 bills. You would fold the cash up like that, and it just slides up under there like that. So technically, it would be just like this. This would be your driver's license, a little bit of cash that you would carry with you. Really, in today's time, we don't really need that much to carry with us. So if I had my ID and my credit card, my debit card, and basically say like some extra cash or something, this is pretty much all I need. And you can see how it fits in your hand right here. And then putting it on the side of my pants. So you can see just kind of like in my pocket there. And then when I want to get a card out or take the cash out, very easy to get out from under the clip there. And then to take a card out, I would just push on the bottom right here, and it just slides out like that. And it feels indestructible. I think this should be great for anybody that just needs to have a very minimalist wallet to carry them with them, where all they need is cash and a few cards with them. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the fashionable badge holder. See y'all in the next video.